Italian soul, Indian roads. I'm really happy you are joining me on my very first POV ride, point of view ride. This isn't just a channel about motorcycles. It's about the stories we collect, the roads we travel, and the lessons life teaches us along the way. This Aprilia RS 457 is more than a bike to me. It's a dream that I chose to stop postponing. Like many of you, I spent years focused on my work responsibilities and taking care of everything else. One day, I realized that if I kept waiting for the perfect time, I might never begin. So today isn't just my first ride. It's the first chapter of a new journey. Let's ride together. Please join me in my ride. Life isn't easy for anyone. We all have responsibilities. Some are building careers, some are supporting families, some are fighting battles that no else can see. We might have to see the life from different lenses. That's when we understand the other's perspective. What is 6 to you is actually 9 to me. Sometimes we become so busy surviving that we forget to truly live. We postpone our dreams, telling ourselves next year, next month, or when things settle down. But life doesn't always slow down. Sometimes we have to decide that today is the day we begin. Today is the day that I'm expecting, that I'm dreaming for. If not today, then when? We need to ask ourselves this very question. If it's not today, then when? Nelson Mandela always says, it always seems impossible. It always seems impossible until it's done. One thing I have learned is that progress is better than perfection. You don't need the best bike, the best camera, or the perfect plan. You simply need to start. Just start. Every expert was once a beginner, and every long journey begins with one small decision. Let's go. The road doesn't ask where you have been. It only asks if you're ready to move forward. Have you ever wondered? The Google map has never said wrong turn. You did not take the turn. You missed it. No. If you keenly observe, one thing that we can learn from Google Maps is that it has never told, or it will not either tell that you have taken a wrong turn. Rather, it actually gives you another route from where you are currently. That's where you begin. That's where we need to start. Wherever we are.
Dream, are you good for me? Way too good to be everything
I actually like, in fact, love riding. When we are riding, there is something peaceful about it. The noise in your mind slowly fades and you begin to think more clearly. Sometimes the answers we are looking for don't come from sitting in front of a screen. They come from spending time with ourselves, with the nature, and with the open road. That's one of the reasons I love riding. I talk to myself. It reminds me to slow down sometimes, appreciate the moment, and enjoy the journey, not just the destination. If not now, then when? I asked this question, in fact, very recently. Had I asked this question to myself before, possibly I would have got this bike or a similar one a few years before. But very recently I asked this question. If not now, then when? If it's not today, then when? My friends, my brothers and sisters, whoever is watching this today, I hope you remember one thing. Don't ever let your dreams stay as dreams forever. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Every small step moves you closer to the life you wanted always. I truly appreciate you guys for being here on my very first POV ride. I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this ride, I would love for you to be part of this journey. Take time. Tell me in the comments, where should this Italian soul, Indian roads should meet again with you? Where should I take my Aprilia RS 4557 next? Should we ride to Valparai, Munnar, Ooty, Kodaikanal, or somewhere you have always wanted to explore? I am there for you. Please see the world, see the roads through my eyes. Be with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this ride with somebody who loves motorcycles and meaningful stories. I don't want to sound like a native or, a common YouTubers who ask people to subscribe and like. Please subscribe and like only if you like my channel, only if you love bikes, only if you like to see the roads through my eyes. I am ready to explore any road for you. I'm ready. I would love to close with one note. The father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi sir, always refers, the future depends on what you do today. The future depends on what you do today. Thank you so much for being with me all this while. I have reached my office and thank you so much. I'm ready to explore any roads. Just comment. I'm waiting for your comments. Thank you so much. You enjoy your day, enjoy the week, enjoy the month. Italian roads, Italian soul, Indian roads. Signing off. Thank you.